Hi, here I'm gonna show you how to put PowerPoint videos on YouTube. First open the Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm gonna write Spider-Man over here. Make a new slide. Write Superman over here. Here. Now, if you don't need any sound, you can go to File, directly to Save As. Now go down to PowerPoint Save As type, Windows Media File Video. Now save. Now if you need any sound, go to Slideshow, record slideshow, start recording from beginning. Start recording. Now whatever I'm gonna say will be recorded in the video. Now okay, I'm gonna stop it. Now I'm gonna go to File, Compress Media, go down to Internet Quality. Compression complete. Close it. Go to directly to Save As. Go down to PowerPoint, save as type as Windows Media File Video, because we have to upload this video onto YouTube. Save. Now go to YouTube, sign in. Here, write your password, email ID, sign in. Here, go to upload at the top of the page. Click on the select files, click here to upload. In documents, go down to Spider-Man and open. Now the video is uploading. Till that we can make a title, description, whatever you can give, whatever you need it. Spider-Man. PowerPoint. Tags, anything you need it. Now you can even give public, unlisted, private, schedule to your video. I'm gonna give public. Now the video is uploading, processing 95% over. Now the processing is done. We can publish it by clicking here. Go to Video Manager. Here my video is uploaded. We can click on it and watch the video. Now whatever I'm gonna say will be recorded in the video. Now, thank you for watching. Please like and please subscribe. Thank you.